What's going on, guys? This is Jonathan, aka Sqndals, and I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 beginner tips and tricks video for Ziggs mid lane. Let's get to it. Alright, so starting off here with number 5, we got my specific Ziggs room page. You could pause it if you want to copy it, but we're just going to focus on this one thing right here. We have the Biscuit Delivery. This is basically just going to give you some health and some mana every time you consume it. It's going to give you 1 every 2 minutes for the first 6 minutes. So that means it's going to give you 3 total in the first 6 minutes, which is just a little more mana, a little more health in critical moments towards the beginning of the game, which is when Ziggs tends to need his mana. I've been running low on mana quite often while using Ziggs because I love the Q. It's a long range ability, so he tends to run out of mana often because I just keep poking. And if it can give you an extra skill, if it can give you an extra shot at killing someone, then I would definitely recommend it. Alright, so moving on to number 4 here, we got mana control. Again, so you're seeing a relative theme here. Ziggs in the beginning of the game doesn't tend to have much mana control. His Q, his W, his E uses a lot of his mana. You want to poke often, so you're going to need some mana when you back right away. Number 3 here, we got the use of your E ability. Your E is a big scattered range of bombs that slows down the enemy when they pass it. We're gonna use this to block off the enemy's escape route. So whenever you're attacking, as you see here, we threw it in front of him. He began to slow down. My teammate now caught up in time, and then I can just finish it off with my ult right here. Another example of using the E to either block off their escape route or just to corner them in general. So as you can see here, I'm just clearing out the wave, using the E to block off the middle, throwing the bomb to the right, now ulting to the center. If he goes to the middle, he's slowed. If he goes to the outside, he's gonna die in my ult. And if he does nothing, he's dead anyways. So you see I blocked off every escape route, every kind of route. He kind of hesitated in the middle, and it led to a kill for me. Coming here at number 2, we got leading with your Qs. As you can see here, the range on his Q is super far. You can throw it, you can run around. It's a bomb that launches and it's not a direct hit. So if he's running to the left, you kind of have to lead him like a football player. Toss it a little bit in front of him and hopefully he lands right into it. Alright, so finishing off with number 1 here is Ziggs' wave clear potential. As you can see here, it's not the fastest that I've done, but again, it's so fast with 1 Q. It's so powerful. So many minions die off of 1 Q. It's kind of ridiculous. So it just kind of makes the whole minion map control so much easier, so much better. It's so much harder to push your base with Ziggs because he can just kill super minions. He can kill regular minions. And it just makes the game pretty much defensively very easy. Again, you're not going to have the most amazing or high amount of kills with Ziggs, but you'll have some really nice ones like that. You'll have some fun ones, and again, this champion seems and looks like he's on crack, so it just makes it fun. He's a great character, and I really enjoy it. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Any or all will do. Hit the comment section. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Let me know what you liked about the video. Let's improve this channel and get some videos out to you guys. Take care.